Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by importing your video files and any separate recorder WAVs into the project panel. You want clear audio on both sources. If you used a clap, mark the instant it peaks. Next, make a new sequence that matches your primary camera's frame rate and resolution so playback remains synced. Once done, drag the camera clip and the external audio onto the timeline on separate tracks. Make sure you can see waveform detail by zooming horizontally. This helps you identify alignment points quickly. With clips on the timeline, select the camera clip and the recorder audio, then right-click and choose Synchronize. Pick audio if you have matching sound. Premiere analyzes waveforms and aligns peaks automatically. If both devices shared timecode, choose timecode instead for near-instant accuracy. Once synced, you can merge clips to create a single media item with linked tracks. This simplifies editing. If Premiere struggles, you can enable different channels or temporarily increase zoom to nudge layers for frame-accurate alignment before proceeding to trim. After syncing, play through and listen for lip sync across the edit. Mute the camera mic and use the higher quality external track or blend both for room tone. If you notice drift over long takes, check that both files share the same sample rate. If not, right-click and interpret footage to conform rates before resyncing. If drift persists, you can apply small manual stretch adjustments or use a dedicated audio alignment plugin. A quick tip: always keep the original unsynced clips in a bin until you confirm perfect sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.